Hello traders, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to resolve the issue of authorization failed. Anytime you're trying to connect your HFM broker to your MT4 5, if it's right authorization failed, then after watching this video, you can be able to find the issue and also resolve the issue. So if you're trying to connect your HFM to MT4 5, that means your login and it's right authorization failed. That means your login details are wrong, your password are wrong, and also your server is also wrong. You understand? So try and input the correct one. So now I'm going to direct you on how to get the correct one. First method is for you to go to your email. So let's say when you open this account, HFM will send you your login details to your email. You can see this page where they wrote wallet ID. That's your login ID for your MT4 5. So you can just copy it and go and paste it at your login ID. But this one is not complete. Another method is for you to go to the website. Do you understand? That's your portal with the HFM, your account on HFM. Click on this draw down menu. You can see the account I've opened here. Do you understand? This is my own account that I opened. It's a demo account. Now I want to connect this so that I wish to resolve the issue of authorization failed. Now make sure that your password is correct. You understand? In case you've forgotten your password, click on that setting button and go and create a new password. Make sure the password is up to 18 character, up to 8 character. You should have an uppercase, a lowercase, and also a number and a special character or a symbol. So just in case you've forgotten your own password, but me, I still know my own, so there's no need for that. So now once you've done that, go ahead and click on that place where they wrote trade. If you click on trade, then you see this first two here is for MT5 app. So just copy your login and go and log it in. While the second one is for MT5 website. If you want to connect it on your website, MT5 website. While the third one is HFM app. You want to trade with HFM app, use that one. But we are just copy your login ID for MT5. That's why the one we'll be using. You understand? The other thing you need to be careful is when you want to connect the account and go to that search menu. If you search for HFM, you understand? Then you should be looking for HFM, HF Markets Global. You understand? That's the one you go for, especially if you are trying to connect it the first day. Then paste in the login ID. You understand? The next thing now is to input the password that you've created to log in this password to your MT4 5. So it's actually different from the password you're using to log into your account. Do you understand? So then after that, make sure the server is correct. Then once you are done, click on login, and automatically your account will be logging, your HFM account will be logging to your MT4 5 at once. So you can go ahead and navigate through it and start trading the way you want. Just in case if you need signal, you understand, you need signal to grow your account. I have a Telegram community where I always drop free signal, and we are profitable here. We are profitable, and what we trade here is currency pairs and derivative synthetic indices. So if you want to check out synthetic indices with derivative synthetic indices, you need to sign up with derivative broker so you can access their synthetic indices. And the link to sign up with derivative broker is in the description of this particular video. So sign up with derivative broker and then use the link to join our Telegram channel so I will make this money together. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to like this particular video and also subscribe to this particular channel. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.